our first video of HTML and learning practical HTML, how we can learn HTML by the help of AI, or how we can learn web development by the help of AI. So let's get started. So first of all, if you need to learn HTML, you need a browser and also a HTML editor. We will use the editor of VS Code. If you want to download that VS Code, you can go to an VS Code. Can download VS Code. Here you can download and you can select from what your operating system you are using. You can use here. So, and we already installed the Chrome browser, so we will start talking about that. So in today's lecture I have created a folder. This is my HTML folder. When we complete every project and within HTML, then we will upload it to the GitHub repository, so it will help us by creating a portfolio for the future work or for the future clients or companies that we wanna help with it or hiring us. Okay, so this is the folder I have created here in the file learn HTML in 2027. So all the files will be stored here. So let's get started, and this is the file, the folder. I will create a file, the first file index.html. okay, this is our file and we will uploading. For the first time we will know about the HTML syntax. Okay, the HTML syntax is HTML, and within it here the head section, and under the head section there is a body section. Okay, this is the HTML syntax. Okay, and also the HTML tag, it's called the root tag or the root elements. So but we will easy, so I will select all and just remove it. When you shift and exclamation mark and you enter it, this goes automatically. You can create the syntax automatically in VS Code. And to be honest, I will, for example, size should be, there's a size I increase the size a little bit, so you will see and I will see too. So this is, I have installed a theme. When you go to this extensions tab, you can install the prettier code formatter, also the GitHub Copilot chat. You can install the GitHub desktop, and here, okay, GitHub desktop. This is the GitHub desktop. You can download it and you can use it. Okay, but we will go to our VS Code. So this is our code editor. This is the live server. This is very important. When we save the changes on our editor, it will automatically update on the browser. So VS Code icons, this is good for icons when we specify the file type. Okay, this is the HTML file type, and it's adding the for example the icon, like I will create, and you can see here this the style.tcs, it automatically create an icon for it. I will delete it so for confusion. So uh, this is the syntax. The doc type, it's stand for the version. It's represent the HTML5 version, and also this is the root element, and also this represent the language of the page, the HTML. Okay, it's English. And also this is the head tag with metadata for the body or for the this web page index.html, and it won't be show on the browser, but the body, when we write anything, it will show on the browser. I will right click and open with live server. So this is our document. This is the port, this is the local port 127.0.0.1, and this is the port. This is our local file path. Okay, and also I will go here, and that's okay. Okay, when like for example heading 1, hello world, hello world. For our first time, when I save the file, it automatically update on the page. This is the help of the live server. Okay, if you don't have the live server, we will refresh it, and then we will uh, every time we will refresh the page, and it will update the port in our file. Okay, the heading, there's 6 headings in the HTML, and the H1 is the biggest heading, and the H6 is the latest or smaller one. Okay, so and to be honest, you should use H1 for every page. Okay, your web page should have at least one heading 1. Okay, H1. You don't need to use, or it's not a good practice to use multiple heading ones or H1s in a single page, in a one page. Okay, and this is the second. We will see this is heading 2, this is heading 2. So also this is when H3, this is heading 3. Okay, and also H4, this is this is heading 4. Okay, and also this is H5. This is 5. When tab, click tab, it will automatically complete. So this is H6. Okay, this heading 6 is the last one. To be honest, I will click tab, it will automatically goes. When I save the file, it will automatically refresh the file in our browser. It's the help of the live server. So this the hello, this the biggest, and this the subheading. You can see the size goes down step by step. Okay, and we have a paragraph. Okay, this is a paragraph, and this is paragraph. Yes, and I will save it. This is paragraph. Okay, for example, we use heading 2. This is heading 2, subheading. Okay, and with heading 2, I will use paragraph. This is the paragraph. I will save it, and this is, for example, I will see Bilal info about Bilal. Okay, about Bilal, and I will save it, and this is subheading. This is the main heading for this page. So this is, and when you want to save the file, you go to the file and also open or save. It's already saved, but you should save as if I share the file tab should be extension of the file should be .htm or .html. Okay, you can use both, but I already saved the file, and if I access this file, I will go to the file, and this is the file. This is the file. I can drag it, and it will show this file. Okay, in today's lecture, we are talking about the root element, the version of HTML, and also this is the root, and also the head, which will not visible on the page, and this is the metadata about this page, and also we will use the title. The title is very important for like about age. Okay, when we open a site like download VS Code, okay, this is about page, and the titles uh, should be like this for a page. And further, these are the headings. Next, we have six headings, and the head one is the latest, and the six is the smallest one, and it's the paragraph. Let's use to specify the paragraph for an information, okay, or related information. So this is our second lecture, so we will going to learn everything in step by step, okay. And also this course is related to AI. By the help of AI, we will learn web development or HTML now, okay. I will write uh, to AI, give me uh, thing 1 2 heading to H6, uh, for example this, okay. We can use AI to generate code for us, and we will learn it. We can copy it, and also we can use here. So this is, I will save it, and here you can see here uh, uh give me about page email code. Okay, this will give us the HTML code for about us page. This is our about us page, and yes, this is the body and already its style. And if I copy it, okay, I will select all and control V, control save, and this is about me. Hi, my name is Bilal. I'm passionate about learning HTML in web development, and my interest in my information about this. Okay, this information we will learn in the next episode.